And it's really by viewing the world in this way from our own individual perspective that we then start to have all kinds of divisions and distinctions emerge between different people. People of different races, people of different ethnicities, people from the West, people from the East. And when everyone is speaking from their own vantage point, whether that be the vantage point of a human, the vantage point of a man, the vantage point of a person of color, the vantage point of somebody else, then we really can't see a situation where general equality will prevail in the world.
Teni ngaco tartate na pena ngaco menyamchong zula teni ropa zshi menyamchong zula teni dongsim nyamke teni zshi na teni ngaco mtsama yakboreze teni zegres.
Generally, when we show empathy to people who are less fortunate than ourselves, most people endorse this and regard it as extremely good.
Teni ngaco karte tenjo la teni ropa shiketang tenjo la dongsim nyamke shiketa teni zshi na teni ngaco mambo zka o te gubache mndukze teni zegres.
But many people would not see the same need in respect of animals. They would not see that animals necessarily were equally as worthy of empathy.
Tenji tawate la tinni, teni ngaso lan jamni mayemba teni kipa phomo lan jamni mayemba mekaro nokpo lan jamni mayemba teni garu nangyen na nakpo nangyen na teni ngaso zambalang ke sharshoko na mognala mergsoso na lan jamni mayemba mambo jongate ten jawi tawate la tinni shongares.
So the fact that we don't have a view of equality towards animals is manifested or related to then the inequality that we have in terms of gender, ethnic equality, racial equality, etc. And it's this kind of attitude or view that of equality and intrinsic inequality between people that we really need to eliminate. If we're going to do away with this view or attitude that divides people up and asserts an inequality between them, the best method we can apply, the best approach we can apply is compassion. So I've spoken just now about the importance of vegetarianism, and I'd like to go on now and talk about the importance of compassion.
Teni nyarji zerande teni ngacho teni nangba nangla teni namgin teni ta tistakpar shadevi teni tsgres.
Compassion is a word that among Buddhists is spoken of absolutely all the time, very, very frequently.
Nyarji zerate teni nangba ga thapa chimbo koranga stores koranga stok ko the linhun stores.
In fact, compassion is the soul of the Mahayana tradition. And it's also the foundation of the Mahayana tradition. So in terms of understanding what compassion actually means or represents, we need to grasp essentially two things about it.
Teni tonda tambo te kanrezena teni ngacho teni dumur yonken ke motosola teni dumur kandez yo te hakor gores teni merch positive amare dumur yonken ke tendro yenanda ndo dana teni dumur yonken ke chokchak tamche ke dumur te ngacho hakor gores.
The first part of compassion is generating an understanding of the suffering of other beings, not just the suffering of humans but also the suffering of animals. And this is a kind of understanding. This understanding of suffering is something that is very rare, in fact, among humans. For example, many rich people have no idea about this